Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 9th class. Today we will start mitosis. Mitosis is basically a type of cell division in which a parent cells divided into two daughter cells. The cell that divide is known as parent cell, and from parent cell two daughter cells are formed, and they have same number of chromosome as were present in parent cell. So mitosis is a type of cell division in which a parent cell divided into two daughter cells, each with same number of chromosome as were present in parent cell. We have discussed this mitotic phase in cell cycle, in which this, for example, parent cell, it have a chromosome is in its center. It divided into two daughter cells. These two daughter cells are formed and they have same number of chromosomes. So from one cell two daughter cells are formed by mitosis, and each of these two cells have same number of chromosome as were present in parent cell. Okay. Mitosis was basically discovered by a scientist, Walter Fleming, and he was a German biologist, and he in 1880 he observed that in a dividing cells nucleus passes through a series of changes. Okay, he basically called that changes as mitosis. So first Walter Fleming observed mitosis in dividing cells. Okay, so this is the definition of and the discovery of mitosis. Now mitosis occur in which type of the cells? Mitosis only occur in eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells mitosis do not occur, but in prokaryotic cell there is a similar process which is known as binary fission take place. Okay, binary fission is similar to mitosis, but we cannot say binary fission as mitosis, because in binary fission a cell divided into two cells, but prokaryotic cells do not have proper nucleus and they do not form spindle fiber. So prokaryotic cell division is not called as mitosis. Only eukaryotic cells, they undergo the process of mitosis. Okay. So in multicellular organism, which type of the cells undergo mitosis? In multicellular organisms, somatic cells. There are two types of cells basically, somatic cells and germline cells. And in multicellular organisms, somatic cells undergo mitosis. Okay, somatic cells divided through mitosis. Now, what is somatic cells? Somatic cells are basically the cells which form the body of organisms. Okay, general body is formed from these somatic cells. Okay, there is another type of cells which is known as germline cells. Germinal cells are basically involved in sexual reproduction and they form gametes. So germline cells form gametes and somatic cells form the body of organism. And there is also a difference in division. Somatic cells they divide through mitosis, okay, and germline cells divide through meiosis. So these are the two difference between somatic cells and germline cells. Somatic cells they form the body of the organism and they undergo mitosis. They divide through mitosis, while germline cells they form the gametes and they divide through meiosis. So this is the difference between somatic and germinal cells. Now the mitosis only take place in somatic cells. Okay. So this is the cell which undergo the process of mitosis. Okay, now next topic is phases of mitosis. They are basically this process of mitosis highly regulated and complex process. Okay, this is a complex process, but we divided this mitosis in two major phases. Two major phases of mitosis is known as karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Two major phases of mitosis is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is basically the division of nucleus. First, in cell, nucleus undergo different changes and nuclear divide, which is known as karyokinesis. So first phase of mitosis is karyokinesis, in which nucleus divide, and the second phase is known as cytokinesis, in which cytoplasm divide. So division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis and division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis. And these two phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis, is two major phases of mitosis. Okay, now we will discuss these phases. First phase of mitosis is karyokinesis. It is very complex process. It is further divided into four phases. Okay, four phases of karyokinesis is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. These are the four major phases of karyokinesis. Okay, we will discuss these phases step by step. Okay, I think from today it's enough. Learn this mitosis and इसमें इसकी definition important है. What is mitosis? Mitosis की definition इसमें मैंने आपको बताया. It's a type of cell division in which cell divided into two daughter cells, each with same number of chromosome as were present in parent cells. इसके अलावा MCQs में पूछ लिया जाता है who discover mitosis, and year भी important है. सारा चीज़ें आपने अच्छे से याद करनी है. और difference between somatic cell and difference between germline cell is also important. And other question is like that is prokaryotic cell division is called as mitosis. So ये भी अभी हमने discuss किया. No, it's not called as mitosis because prokaryotic cells do not have proper nucleus and they do not form spindle fibers. इसके अलावा phases हमने discuss किए हैं. Two major phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus and cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Okay, and karyokinesis की four phases हैं: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. We will discuss these phases in later. Okay, Allah Hafiz from today.